Researchers are studying biofuels in an effort to make them greenhouse gas neutral.
One of the key things that we're looking at is, in the ideal, biofuels should be greenhouse gas neutral. So when you convert plant biomass into energy, you release carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, but ideally that should be balanced by carbon dioxide that's taken up in growing a plant. So one of the main things we're looking at is other sources of greenhouse gas emissions from producing this material. And one of the biggest ones is from converting from another land use to biofuels production. There's a lot of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases that are released from soil.
Scientists are using willow and poplar hybrid production systems in an effort to lower production costs and greenhouse gas emissions. The poplars were planted at different spacings. Their development is being tracked to see how quickly they produce biomass. Final information from the plantation is expected when trees are 8 or 9 years old.
The other type of production system that we use is a high-density planting system where instead of just 600 or 700 trees per acre, we plant 5,000 trees per acre. And so the types of trees that we use for that kind of production system are shrub willows. And so we have some of those right here. And you can see that we depend on planting these trees at very high densities and then cutting them so that they sprout back and form many, many stems per acre. By the time we are through with these, there may be as many as 20 or 30,000 stems per acre.
For Rothstein, it's all about balance. In ideal sites, the CO2 generated from burning the biomass of willow and poplars is close to what is being pulled out of the atmosphere. In the worst sites, there is a greenhouse gas debt.
In the wrong site, we see a big flush of greenhouse gases due to land conversion.
Using woody biofuel products correctly in a way that limits the release of carbon dioxide is what Rothstein hopes to accomplish.
The work we're doing, a lot of what we're trying to do as we move forward is to really look at things in a landscape context and develop some tools that industry or policymakers can use in terms of where to put these things.
Michigan State University AgBioResearch, changing the face of science.